Hey guys, Mark at American Suspension here. This is our RamAir 7 Super Tanker Premium Air Ride setup that we have out. You can see the tank, the compressor, there's a pressure switch under there. It's a simple, altogether one mount setup. You use the 2 bolts from your bag rail. It'll connect to our bracket here. It'll mount the tank, the compressor, and the pressure switch. You'll have a wire that you can route up here, plug into the bike. You're going to get our 2 premium air ride shocks. They're going to have spherical bearings, meaning that it won't bind. Like if you're in cornering, there's no chance of friction or binding. They're movable, high-end shocks. You've got our 1-bolt mount sack unit here, control unit. This one controls the supply. You run your tank line into this one. The next 2 are push and pull, so you can pull them out and push them in for safety. Closes it off from the tank so the tank can't come back. Fill the air in the shocks and let the bike lift. And then the bottom one is dump. This is all pneumatic powered, meaning you just plug your air lines into it. You route those cleanly under the seat, and then one will operate the front, one will operate the rear. It's best to route. You just pop your tank off to route that airline underneath the backbone wire chase, and then you can hook your front if you're running front air ride. This one has front and rear air ride. This has also got our bolt-on 26 kit. You can see how tight it'll let it get, but it won't get any closer than that. So if you're concerned about how close it is to the front, it won't get any closer than that when you lower the bike down. This one isn't on a center stand. This is actually on a kickstand all the way down. So you can see it gets it about 3 inches off the ground in the back. It still stands upright on the kickstand. So you don't have to have a center stand. All right. Thanks guys. This is our tour of the RamAir 7 setup. Thanks.